Well, I came out here to record and already I'm greeted with another ridiculous power gust of wind. I mean, been windy like this literally all day long. I mean, and also, it's ridiculous. Earlier this afternoon, we also got some heavy wind and some heavy rain too. Check this out. I can speak. Yep, another powerful gust of wind. Anyways, check this out. This was from earlier this afternoon. Well, I guess it's going to continue then. Just when I thought it was over, it starts pouring down rain again, and it starts getting dark again too. Excellent. Just when I thought it was over. I mean, the sun was coming out and everything. But, I guess, Mother Nature fooled me.
We cannot forget about the windy conditions that will be in place for today. So whether you're in Dallas or in Austin or even Lubbock and farther north into Oklahoma and even into parts of the central United States and into the Northeast, we are talking about some very windy conditions. At times this weekend, we could have winds gusting up to 50, even 55 miles per hour, and even a few spots a little bit higher than that. So windy weather definitely on tap.
Well, anyway, so, sorry about that. So, going to show what my day consists of, and it's only 7 o'clock. Anyway, so, got a little ways to go before I have to stop doing this. Anyways, here's what my day consists of. Well, anyway, so, now, I'm going to show what my day consists of, and it's only, there's the refrigerator turning on, 7 o'clock p.m. So, the night is still young. Anyway, so, this is what I did all day. That's right. Yeah, that's all I have planned today. And I actually wanted those two games for quite a while now, but I didn't have a chance to go out and get them. But since it's my birthday, I got surprised with those two games. So yeah, that's what I've been doing all day, is playing some Watch Dogs 2 and Friday the 13th. That's right. Alright, here we go. Yep. Of course. Yeah, once again, that's not cold at all. No, you know, why would it be, you know? Oh, hell. I thought I felt the raindrop. But yeah, you know, this wind's totally not cold at all, you know? Yeah. Oh, here comes an airplane too. Right up there. Yeah, of course you can't see it. Yeah, actually, it had to be seen. But yeah, of course you can't even see it because of how dark it is. But, yeah, I can tell that they're experiencing some major turbulence up there with this wind. I can tell they're having some major turbulence. Hi, big boy. Falling asleep, aren't you? Getting sleepy, aren't you, Luke? Aren't you, Lucas? So leave him alone. Well, anyway, so tonight we went out to eat at a Chinese restaurant, and for some reason they were giving out these free calendars, and yeah, I'm going to see what they look like. I'm curious. Of course, I'm going to need to put down the camera. Fuck. There we go. And it smells really good too. God damn it. That is probably. Oh. Now, this is pretty cool actually. Yeah, that's where we went, Pacific Fusion. Buffet and grill. But yeah. So, here's what the calendar looks like. And as you can see, there's nothing on the back, obviously. So, which means it's almost time to replace the old calendar here with a new one, as you can see. Let's see. Oh, my birthday's on a Sunday next year. A day ahead than it is today. Anyway, let me put this back up. If I can do this with one hand. I'll just drop the damn thing. Fuck. Great. Shouldn't have shown the telephone number. I would edit that out, but can't be bothered to. So, yeah. Sorry, Pacific Fusion. I've accidentally sold your telephone number. So, if you get 1,000 phone calls, then yeah, sorry about that. Once again, I would edit it out, but too damn lazy to do it. Let me throw this away. Yeah, they can see all the paper towels you got in there. Well, it's a trash can. What do you expect? So, just got done. I don't know why I'm saying this, but just got done taking a nice steamy shit, and you know what? I'm not using this. Nope. Deleting all of this. Nope. No. Why the hell am I fucking talking about it to begin with? I mean, you know what? No, I'm deleting all of this and I'm starting a new scene. Fuck it. Not using any of this. Well, I was gonna film in the living room, but yeah, I'm hearing all the background noise, and you know what? Forget it then. You know what? Hold on a minute. Let me do this. Just so that I don't freeze out here, because, well, right now it's freezing out here. Isn't it, big girl? You're gonna be spoiled again, don't you? Don't you, big girl? It's silly to be spoiled, isn't it? Isn't it, Zachy? You want the wind to stop, don't you? Me too, big girl. Me too, Zachy. I'm so sorry for the darkness. Whoa! Almost ran into the bench here. Oh shit! Oh, I legitimately almost just busted my ass there. I think my shoes just slipped on a leaf or something. Okay, well that's enough for right now. Anyways, well that's going to be it for today. It's sad, so I'm all out of breath, so gonna end it here for today, and I'm going to sit and relax. Holy shit. Anyways, that's it for today.